get out. It's getting beyond sincere, and it's freaking me out. It's getting too loud in here. It's time to get out. I'm reading you loud and clear, though there's no need to shout. And time will be all we need, but for now we'll take all the pieces, all of the reasons to stay. I'm waiting tonight. I'm waiting for all of this now. I think we just might. I'm waiting for all of the reasons to stay. I'm wasting my time in here. I need to get out. It's getting beyond sincere, and it's freaking me out. It's getting